Hello, my name is Geronimo Mendez,
And I'm George Sanchez.
and we're here to present Project 2, which is the Dining Philosopher's problem and solution. Okay, so very first thing we're going to do is basically compile our program. Oh, here we go. Once compiled, we can go ahead and run it. And I'm going to end this real quick because this should be working infinitely. So for example, I'm going to demonstrate how this is working and the mechanics behind the solution. So at the beginning, all the philosophers, are waiting and they are trying to get forks in order to eat. So without having forks, none of them, without having both forks, none of them can eat. So, and another problem that we found a solution is for that no two philosophers right next to each other can eat at the same time. So as you can see, when four actually gets both forks, it can eat, and the rest have to wait for it since it has a lock in it. Once four returns the forks, four goes into resting, and then four goes back into waiting. And as you can see now, since it returned the forks, now philosopher 3 and 0 can now start eating since they are not right next to each other. Once they are finished eating, they return the forks. So as you can see, they have returned the forks. And then that gives opportunity for 4 and 2. And again, as you can see, they are not next to each other. So this is possible and the logic follows indefinitely. Anything else you would like to add, George?
It was actually a quite difficult problem to solve, but overall, I just thought it was a pretty good project that shows how scheduling can be a big problem when it comes to operating systems. This
Yes.
really is.
Yeah, it was very beneficial, and seeing how the threads, they cannot interfere with each other, and this makes great opportunity for different programs to get implemented, like waiting in line for a queue, when buying tickets or any of that sort of thing.
And the methods of accomplishing this task that were like in our research, we just found infinitely many, and it was pretty crazy.
Yeah. Thank you.